Did you know that perfect devotion can quietly destroy the person practicing it? He trained for 10 years. Every morning before dawn, he was in the courtyard. Every evening, long after his master had gone to rest, he was still there. He studied the way his master held a brush, the way he paused before speaking, the rhythm of his breathing during meditation. He copied everything perfectly. And then one day, a younger student asked him a simple question. "What do you believe?" He opened his mouth, and nothing came. Not because he did not know his master's answer. He knew it exactly, but his own answer had slowly faded away, like ink left in the rain. He had become a mirror, clear, faithful, empty. His master never asked him to disappear. He had chosen it, one small surrender at a time. To honor a great teacher is not to become them. It is to carry their lessons into a life that is still, fully your own. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.